Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will unbox review special Android 8.0 Oreo system Octa Core PX5 special for Honda CRV 2012 to 2016 year. Okay, here is box. This is very big box. Let me unbox. This is combo. This is special harness. Okay, this is special header unit. Let me introduce the harness it first. Okay. Okay, this is a special harness for Honda CRV 2012 to 2016 year. Okay, this is special connector. You can check this CAN box. CAN decoder box. It works with factory steering wheel control and decoder other factory information. This connector connects to our header unit power. Okay, there's 4 connectors. There's radio antenna, this factory radio antenna, harness plug and play in your car. Okay, this is power. Okay, this is 2 speaker. Okay, this is also speaker. And the steering wheel control. Okay, this is special harness. Will come with header unit. You can check. Header units will come with GPS antenna. It's an external microphone. And the original USB. This original USB from Honda CRV will come with the header unit too. This camera input RCA type. Okay, this 2 USB cable external microphone. This connect back to header unit. Okay, this audio cable. Subwoofer. This subwoofer. Okay, this video out 1 and the video out 2. And this is audio out left and right, front and rear. Okay, and it comes with this AUX input. This AUX input left and right. This input, video input. Okay, let me introduce header unit. This 10.1-inch IPS touch screen. Let me Okay, you can check this CRV. This driver agent. Okay, you can check this map GPS card slot. Okay. This reset hole and microphone. This dangerous button. Put here. Dangerous button. Okay. This left and back. You can check this radio antenna and these connectors, power fuse connector, GPS, this Wi-Fi antenna. Please make sure you connect the GPS antenna before installing. Okay. Okay, let me try the okay. Let me power 12 voltage. Connect the power on back head unit. Okay. The head unit will be start. Let me check. Move. Okay. Okay. Please take out this screw protector before using. Take out this screw protector. Okay, this is the UI interface. Let me check. Very fast response. You have already installed YouTube. You can download the application from Google Play Store. It's built in Google Maps. And this mirror link. Okay. And Bluetooth, music, navigation radio. It's Wi-Fi. You can connect to Wi-Fi. And the level check system, you can put the language in here. All languages already built in. You can add language. So this all language you can insert here. This back button. Okay, let me check the system. About motion, you can check. Model is PX5, Android version is 8.0 Octa system. Okay, this is Octa system, back to home. Okay, if you have any more questions, please contact to us. I will make the review show part 2. Okay, that's all. Thank you.